Create a promotional product banner like this one using Canva. Open Canva and type Pinterest in the search bar. Choose the dimensions needed for a vertical layout. Add your product to the image. Select the background and click on the colorful circle to set a new background color using the pipette tool. Select the product and place it on the side. Using the Edit section, add a beautiful drop shadow. Then copy the product and paste it around the border of the image, showcasing different parts. Be sure to keep the center of the image free. Next, go to Text and add a bold heading at the center for the main offer. Add additional text to share more information about the offer. You can adjust the font, size, and color of the text to achieve the best visual results. As the final touch, select all elements and click Animate. Choose an animation style that works best for you and watch the full preview. To export the video, click the Share button and download it in MP4 format. Now you can share this video on social media to attract new clients.